Can I get veneers if I grind my teeth? Grinding your teeth doesn't automatically disqualify you from veneers. Patients tell me I grind my teeth. Does that mean I can't get veneers? Not necessarily. Many veneer patients who grind or clench their teeth still enjoy beautiful long-term results. The key is identifying the habit and protecting your investment, often with a custom night guard designed specifically for you. The goal isn't just creating a beautiful smile, it's helping it last. Comment veneers to get my free ebook about veneers.